Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Adia and this is my YouTube channel. Anyway, today I'm here with a different type of video. I like this kind of videos. I've always wanted to do this kind of videos, so I'm doing them. So basically it's a 24-hour challenge. I'm going to be wearing a waist trainer for 24 hours. It's a corset, like I think it's a stillborn corset. Honestly, I've had this for a while. I've also not worn it for a while. So yeah, I don't know, I've been feeling very bloated lately, so I just want to see if this will make any changes. So yeah, thumbs up if you're going to like the video at the end of it, and stay to the end to see the results. And let's put this bad boy in. So I just have this top thing on, and I'm just going to be putting it over it so it doesn't like hurt my skin or anything, because trust me, I've tried this on bare skin. Not good. Okay, don't do that. Okay guys, so the waist trainer is on. That's the time now, and this is the time we're going to start. So wish me luck. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing what I normally do: chores, work, sleep, eat, everything. So yeah, I'll be updating you guys as time goes on like what I'm doing, what I'm eating, if I eat, when I eat, what I'm drinking, and all that. So yeah, see you guys in a bit.
Hey girls! Wow! So whose birthday is it? And I wasn't even told. Is it yours? You would have told me, girl. I would have some nice birthday gifts. Oh wait, is it yours? How old are you, girl? Okay, calm down. I know what's going on here. You've not officially met me. My name is Natasha, but you can call me Tasha, aka Pepedem Gang. I'm James's very good friend. So tell me, how you girls doing?
Hey guys, so I just finished eating the food I showed you guys. I actually ate it with my sister. I knew I was not going to be able to finish it. I love poundo potato. It's very light. Like I feel like it's the best swallow, hands down. Like right now, gari, semo, pounded yam, everything. It's like the best. And yeah, so I was done eating because I started feeling tight. Let me show you guys. So I started feeling tight around here. So I stopped eating, like, and it's hot. There's no light. I've not even drank water and I already feel so tight. So I'm like trying to drink little water in bits, so I don't feel really uncomfortable. I mean, right now I'm just okay. I feel a little tight, but I'm okay. So I don't want to be uncomfortable. So yeah. So that's what I'm doing right now. The place is so hot. Like, Nepa. But anyway, I'm just going to be watching a movie on my laptop. Movies I didn't even know I had. I don't know. We'll see what I do next. So I decided last minute to edit, and I just had like finishing touches to do on this video. So I'm doing it. I've done it now, and I'm spotting the video. So now I'm going to watch a movie. So you guys, you know how old Game of Thrones season 8 is, right? And I still haven't seen it. I have it on my laptop, but I don't know. I am waiting for Euphoria though, like season 2, girl. Yeah, I was very scared. The way season 1 ended, I was very scared that there was going to be no season 2. So when I heard season 2, I was shook. It's staying, like, girl. Oh yeah. So my dad got this. This is an energy drink. I prefer this one to the original one. If you know this drink, I don't know. I just feel it sounds sweet. The other one tastes like Power Horse though. But anyways, I was just like sipping on this one. I feel better. I don't feel as tired anymore. Maybe that's why I didn't have space for this one. But yeah, so I'll probably show you the movie I'm watching.
If that's definitely what you want.
That is definitely what I want.
Okay, it's just been a minute.
How would you know?
Well, I keep your calendar.
Booty calls aren't ended. Just please do what I ask you to do. Thank you.
Oh, I gotta go. Dry cleaning is here, and I really feel like the black skirt, houndstooth jacket screams. Damn right, you're making me partner. Took you bitches long enough.
You know what, Brandon? Just because you're gay doesn't mean you're fabulous. Oh,
I can't.
come on, honey. That's right.
Hey guys, so the time is currently 4:39 and I just filmed a video. So yeah, and I still got I still got our little baby on here, and so far it's hurting at the back. It's pulling. I don't know, it's feeling uncomfortable at the back, but we going, okay? So yeah, I just finished filming and I thought to give you guys an update. See you guys later, guys. So I finally finished this guy and I've just been editing. I finished watching What Men Want. I filmed the video, but I'm going through like the footage and all, and I don't like it, so I'll do it again later today. And I look like someone's auntie. But yeah, that's just the situation. I started eating this video. Just tired. I've not felt hungry. I don't know if it's because of this energy drink I took. I mean, it gives energy and not curbs hunger, but I don't know. But I've not felt hungry. I'm fine. So I've not eaten anything. I've just been drinking this or drinking water. So I finished this, so I have water to drink now. So yeah, I'm so lazy to stand up and show you guys what I feel. Let me just show you guys. Okay, so I still have the waist trainer on, and yeah, my bed is so messy, like I need to clean up. Real life, real stuff, okay? Bye.
Jones and Jessica, they have been working so hard to get numerous bills passed, but the most current one that they've been working on is the First Step Act. Kanye is with me, just helping out with the kids and stuff while I'm working. Going to law school and having to do that 18 hours a week is completely separate from any prison reform work that I do. I think the way
Hey guys, so the time is currently 6:46. I'm out with my dad and my sister, Duffel. And yeah,
You have to be so cruel,
Tara. On
Taraji.
their lights. And yeah, we're just like doing stuff tonight, and I still have my waist trainer on, and this shit hurts, man. I would say that my back is killing me. Hey guys, so the time is currently 7:34, which is approximately, give or take, I think 12 hours since the last time since when I first put it on, and honestly I am so uncomfortable. Like my back is hurting. It's just like it's paining me. Okay, it's paining me. So I'm going to take it off now just because I cannot deal. So I'm going to take it off now. Okay, so at least you guys can watch that process. Oh, like it hurts. Like the marks and everything are on me. It's so crazy. This is what we have. Well, I feel so much relief, like guys, oh my god, I feel so much relief because it really hurts. Like the skin at my back is feeling really sensitive. Whew. But anyways, I'm glad to see that it stopped my bloating, like it reduced my bloating because I don't feel bloated anymore, and it helped me regulate what I ate today. I mean, not like I was hungry because I didn't feel hungry, but it was like even if I was hungry I would have been careful to eat because I'm sweating. I'm tired of Nigeria. Someone should come and take me abroad, like even if I was hungry I would have been very careful with what I was eating. Even though it wasn't like a whole day, I mean literally the day is over, like it's over, and I've had it on all day. Just I'm so uncomfortable. Like I don't think it's like worth the kind of pain I'm feeling, so I'm just gonna take it off. But yeah, I'm happy that there was like an actual result, so I'm happy for that. I'm happy I'm no longer bloated. Just let me know what else you guys want me to do, and yeah. Okay, so side note, I don't know why, but I'm into like end lashes, like lashes are just supposed to end. I don't know, it's cute, right? So anyways, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.